Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Ford Edge, guys. So if you have a Ford Edge that does not start, guys, and you're trying to find, guys, the ignition relay, also known as run start relay, stay with us and we'll explain where you can find that one, guys. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this Ford Edge here, that generation, guys, we'll be making at least 200 videos. Why we guys do all that? Why we take our cars completely apart? Simply, guys, because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, guys, if you need to buy replacement relays, fuses, car parts or tools, guys, for a super good price and save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below. It's there for your convenience. I will go ahead, open the hood, and I'll show you guys, okay, where you can find, okay, that relay, run start relay. Some people call it ignition relay. So this right here, it's a 2009 Ford Edge that we will be working on. 2009, guys. And when you open the hood, okay, right here you have one fuse box. This is, guys, the fuse box here. So if you press that thing in and lift up at the same time, it comes up. Now you can actually pull it out all the way, guys. Okay, it has like two hinges there, so pull it out. And now the cool thing about this thing now, guys, is you have the fuse numbers printed on the back side of the fuse box. Okay, you can see the fuse numbers and relays, but the sad part, you don't have the descriptions, guys, so you don't know, okay, exactly which fuse or which relay it's for what and how to check them, guys. So now the relay, guys, for the run start or the ignition, also known as ignition relay, guys, is relay number 48. Okay, checking it here now, it's this big relay right here. So the layout corresponds to what we have, guys, okay, right here. So if we look at it, it will be this big dude. And if you need to buy a new relay, we'll have, guys, a link in the description of the video below. We'll have part numbers and everything. How I remove it? Pretty simple. I grab it, guys, pull it out, okay, just like that. And this is, guys, the relay. That's what it looks like. It's very important to install them the same way you remove them, guys. Okay, make sure you don't flip it upside down. Sometimes it may cause problems, not always, but sometimes it's possible, guys. So this is, guys, the relay, okay, and that's how we removed it. The lettering always faces forward on this, so that's it, guys. Now when you're ready to install it, all you have to do, just grab it, guys, and push it in. Okay, make sure it's all the way in. After that, it's very important to close the fuse box, but close it good, because if you, guys, leave it open, what could happen? All that dust and dirt may end up being inside the fuse box. Humidity and moisture will get inside, and what will happen? You may end up needing a new fuse box panel, and that's expensive, guys, so don't do that. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you guys trying to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.